It's today. Today is Saturday, and that means it is the day for the wall to be ripped wide open and fixed. So what are you going to see today? You're going to see this insulation get torn out, framing done, windows put in, Tyvek added, me fucking up, me doing things wrong, me pivoting, me with my shirt off because I'm going to be a sweaty hog mess, but that's okay. I just took my Adderall so that I stay focused on what I'm doing and don't stand around staring like I am prone to doing. And we're going to get it done. In about 3 hours, the sun hopefully will not be on the balcony anymore, so I'll be working in shade most of the day, which is ideal because it's already like 78 degrees outside, and it's supposed to get up to, I think, 85 today, 86. Humidity seems low right now. It's probably going to get worse, but yeah. And also, fingers crossed that there's no trip to Menards required or anywhere else to buy supplies. I think I'm good. So, I already don't want to do it, but it's got to get done. Let's go. I'm good. It took a minute to, kind of wrap my brain around what I'm doing. It's tricky because all of these studs that were already there, all of them are crooked. So it plays that game of when you make something level vertically, and you're like, well, why does it look crooked? Well, it's not. Everything else is. All right. Thanks, Dad. Bye. We're about 2.5 hours in, and it's going well. It took a minute to figure out what I was doing with these, and the two studs that actually connected from the attic to the downstairs were so loose that they clearly were not supporting weight. Obviously, I didn't cut them both out at the same time. Yeah, so I just called my dad. 'Cause I don't know what was holding the house up or what is holding the house up, but it wasn't those. Is this dirty? That's better. Okay, sorry. I am so sweaty. It looks like I peed my pants and probably sharded them because the back is all wet too. But I just called my dad because I thought that the boards that are along the front of the house, I thought I'd be able to cobble those together to cover this span. There's definitely not enough wood to cover all of that. So I just called him to ask him to run to Menards for me because I can't close the house up. I do think I'm right on track to getting the windows totally in tonight, which is awesome. So what I'm going to do is frame out the other two. By that point, my dad should be here with that wood so I can get everything attached and cut. And then I'm going to Tyvek the front of it so it's covered, or at least, looks like it's secured. And then I'm going to run to Menards because there's a couple things I need to get for the windows before I can install them. And it's funny, my dad asked me if I had flashing tape, which you put around, the outside of the window. Thought I did. I don't. And that's okay. So I'm going to go grab that later once everything's closed back in. And then tomorrow I can focus on insulating the wall and then let that car go by. Insulating the wall and putting up a vapor barrier on it. And then it's ready. Really, it's ready for sheetrocking. I will get it wired before that because there is another outlet to go outside, of course, and the new outlet in the house. That's where we're at. It's going well. It's going well. Very pleased. I hope you all just saw that there was nothing holding the bottom of these windows in place at all. At all. That's totally fine. Cool. All right. Thanks, Dad. I have no idea what this line goes up to. And over in the attic, it might power this. So like those two down there underneath the horizontal, they were not attached to the bottom of the door frame, which was also not screwed in. So truly it was held in place by a screw. So again, it's, just like with the door, it's not hard, it's just tedious. It's gonna have to go up there-ish. A little sweat bee here. Hey, what's going on here?
He's coming over to see.
At least I put shoes on today, though.
Alrighty. Okay, great. Somebody get the deal done. Drink lots of fluid.
Mom and Dad came to drop off all the wood. I don't know if we can see it. You can kind of see it through the front door. And then we just chatted downstairs in the air conditioning, and it was nice. But now it's like, I'm gonna get back to it. Great news, though, I have all the wood to close up the outside that I needed. So we're just about ready to start cutting out the rest for whatever the hell this window's gonna look like. Now that I'm all like dry, well, I'm not super dry. My shorts look like I still pee-peed in my pants, but now that I'm dry, I have to get all sweaty again. So. Oh well, that's life. My nose is red from this. I don't have masks. Anyway, they're all framed. They're all framed, and it's a great feeling. There are the big boxes for windows. I'm gonna have to cut further over on that. Oh, this is all dirty again. Hold on. Is it better? Kind of. I'm gonna have to cut further over on that because the flange on the big windows is going to merge over that. Luckily, it was pretty easy to cut, so I'm not really worried about it, but I don't know. It's gonna involve some creative thinking once all is said and done. So might as well get started on that. I'm getting tired. What time is it?
It's 5:10 p.m.
5:10 p.m.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Rude. So anyway, I'm gonna go get a drink of water. Every time I go downstairs, I drink a full glass of water because I'm just sweating like a whore in church. Really happy to have the framing done. That's the hard part. I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna get the siding on. Actually, once I cut that, I'm gonna make sure all the windows actually fit in their spots, because it's a whole other issue if they do not. Fingers crossed. I'm so filthy. I'm so tired. I don't know the last time I was this tired. But oh, my eyes are red. Because I should have been wearing goggles today, and I'm sure some of you were thinking that, and don't bother telling me because I already know. Look at this. I have windows and a wall again, and it's secure and weatherproofed, and the immediate difference in how quiet it is, which is so silly, but because I don't have insulation in yet, but it's different already. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This was a while coming. I'm very happy that it got here. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna put the door back on its hinges so the cats can't come in here, because I am not cleaning this up tonight. I don't have it in me. All right. The windows are only temporarily in. Like I said, there's just 4 screws holding each of them in. There is some work to do with those still. I mean, they're level, but adding shims underneath for additional support. I have to get the flashing tape still, and then, you know, spray foam insulation and stuff all around them. That's got to happen. I can't believe I cannot believe I took apart a wall and reinstalled a wall of windows in a day. For my first time ever. This thing is soaked. Do you see the drips? Oh, I'm a vision. Okay, shower time.